Today in the grain market, the soybeans were mixed. They really traded on both sides of unchanged. The trade deal may have to wait until June. That was a little bit of a disappointment. I think that stalled the market a little bit. So any idea that we were close is really kind of gone at this point right now. There has been some increased acres in the soybean sector and possibly some any more exports to China just seem to be non-existent. So the market's kind of stalled out and moving a little bit sideways. We're waiting on more information that might, help us find a little bit more direction. We know that we've got this big winter weather here that might delay some planting for the soybeans and for the corn for that matter as well. But any damage or any difficulty is still yet to be determined because the storm really just started today. Corn was also firm. That winter storm just does concern some traders. I think the USDA info has been digested, all the bearish news, and the winter weather is also delaying that planting, so that might have given the market a little bit of lift, and I think that that's why the market firmed up. Now, it's not rallying by any means because there's a lot of bearish news, and we saw that with that USDA report. But as it stands right now with this weather, we're going to wait and see to check to see if there's going to be some real damage. I know that we're expecting actually some flooding around the lower rim of the storm, so that will definitely affect a lot of the Midwestern, lower Midwestern corn belt. So that should affect, getting everything into the ground and kind of delaying the crops. And also, there's going to be probably movement of acres back and forth from soybeans to corn and corn to soybeans. So there's a lot in the mix yet before we really get going for this crop. Wheat was mixed today as well. The USDA says that the stocks are the highest since 1988. Boy, we're really reaching back to see just like how much wheat we do have. So that bearish USDA report, was the, has the, kind of hold of the market. But the real story is the shipments, which are almost non-existent right now. They're really lagging way behind. Also, the cuts to demand are also weighing on the futures, and it makes it so difficult. And it just seems like there's no help in sight. So we are kind of stuck in this range for quite a while, really with soybeans, corn, and wheat. So there's a lot to watch out for to see if there's going to be anything at all that gives these markets a lift.